learn about scissor. That is the first type of lever. First, the components. We have 15 size beams. This is 2 square beams. We have 5 size beams. And we have some pegs. So let us start. First, we are going to take these beams, and on the 6th hole we are going to put a peg and then connect both of them together. It will make a structure like this. Now over here, what we are going to do, we are going to keep it aside. We are going to take these 2 beams. We are going to connect 2 pegs, one in the first hole and one in the third hole, and then connect it on the connected like this. Similarly, we are going to do it for this one. And then over here we are going to connect it on the top, not below. Once we are done with this, we are going to take one peg from here, connect it on second and fourth hole. Similarly, on the other side, we are going to connect it like this. And then we are going to take our square beams and connect it this way. You have to connect it at the end like this. One is facing this side and the other one is facing the other side, and this is our scissor.